Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you've deposited a significant check, say, a hefty $30,000, into your PNC Bank account, and then you're left wondering, when can I actually use this money? It's a common scenario, and the answer isn't always as straightforward as we might hope. We live in a world of instant gratification, where digital payments and wire transfers often clear within minutes or hours. But checks? They operate on a different timeline, a system built on verification, security, and a network of banks communicating with each other. So, let's break down the journey of a $30,000 check at PNC Bank. We'll explore the standard availability, the factors that can lead to longer holds, and some proactive steps you can take to navigate this financial landscape with confidence. This isn't just about a number, it's about financial literacy, protecting your assets, and understanding the system that governs your money. First and foremost, it's important to understand PNC Bank's standard funds availability policy. For most check deposits, PNC generally aims to make funds available on the first business day after the day of your deposit. This is a common practice among many banks for standard check amounts. However, a $30,000 check falls into a category where longer holds are more likely. PNC's policy specifically states that if your total check deposits on any one business day equal or exceed $50,000, longer delays may apply. While $30,000 is below this $50,000 threshold, it's still considered a substantial amount, and banks often exercise caution with larger deposits to mitigate risk. Even if your $30,000 check is the only check you're depositing that day, the bank still has the discretion to place a hold. Let's consider the best-case scenario with standard availability. If you deposit your $30,000 check before PNC's cutoff time on a business day, which is typically 10 p.m. Eastern Time for most deposit methods, that day is considered the day of deposit. The funds would then generally be available on the first business day after the day of deposit. So, if you deposit on a Monday, they could be available on Tuesday. If you deposit on a Friday, they'd likely be available on Monday, assuming no bank holidays. However, for a $30,000 check, this next day availability is often only partial. The Expedited Funds Availability Act, EFAA, mandates that banks make certain portions of a check deposit available sooner. While the initial $225 of a personal check is typically made available by the next business day, a $30,000 check triggers different considerations due to its size. PNC's policy outlines that for deposits of checks or money orders totaling $50,000 or more, funds will typically be available on the second business day after the day of your deposit for all purposes. Even though your $30,000 check is less than $50,000, it's prudent to consider that it might be treated with similar caution. This means if you deposit on a Monday, the funds might not be fully available until Wednesday. Now, let's delve into the various factors that can delay the clearing of a $30,000 check at PNC Bank. These are the nuances that can turn a seemingly straightforward transaction into a waiting game. 1. The type of check. Not all checks are created equal. Asterisk personal checks. These generally take the longest to clear because the bank needs to verify the funds in the issuer's personal account. A $30,000 personal check will undergo more scrutiny than a smaller one. Asterisk cashier's checks or certified checks. These are typically considered guaranteed funds because the bank has already set aside the money. They usually clear much faster, often on the next business day, or even the same day for payment of items processed that evening. If your $30,000 check is a cashier's check, you're in a much better position for quicker access. Asterisk government checks, e.g., U.S. Treasury checks. These are also generally considered safe and tend to clear quickly, often within one business day. Asterisk checks drawn on PNC Bank. Honest checks. If the check you're depositing is also drawn on a PNC Bank account, the clearing process is significantly faster because the funds don't need to travel between different financial institutions. These can often be available the same business day for certain purposes, with remaining funds available the next business day. 2. Your account history and relationship with PNC Bank, asterisk new accounts. If your PNC account has been open for less than 30 days, banks are permitted to hold funds for longer periods. This is a common fraud prevention measure. A $30,000 check into a brand new account could face a significant hold. Asterisk repeated overdrafts. A history of frequent overdrafts or insufficient funds in your account can signal a higher risk to the bank, leading to longer holds on deposited checks. Asterisk average balance. While not always explicitly stated, a long-standing account with a consistently healthy balance might experience faster clearing times as the bank has a better understanding of your financial behavior. 3. The amount of the deposit. As we've already highlighted, $30,000 is a significant sum. While it's below PNC's $50,000 threshold for automatic extended holds, banks are generally more cautious with larger amounts, regardless of the explicit policy. They might perform additional verification steps, which can prolong the clearing time. 4. How and when you deposit the check. Asterisk branch teller deposit. Depositing a check in person with a teller is often the most reliable method for potentially faster clearing, especially if you establish a good relationship with your branch. You can also directly inquire about estimated hold times. Asterisk ATM deposit. While convenient, ATM deposits can sometimes add an extra day to the clearing process, particularly if the ATM is not a PNC Deposit Easy SM ATM equipped with currency validation technology or if the deposit is made after business hours. Asterisk mobile deposit. PNC mobile app mobile deposits are increasingly popular, but they also have specific cutoff times, often 10 p.m. Eastern Time for PNC. Deposits made after this time will be processed on the next business day. Mobile deposit limits also vary by customer and account, so ensure your $30,000 check falls within your personal mobile deposit limit. Some users on forums have reported daily mobile deposit limits ranging from $2,500 to $25,000 and monthly limits up to $50,000. For a $30,000 check, you would likely need to deposit in person or via an ATM, as it could exceed typical mobile deposit limits. Asterisk business days and holidays. Checks only clear on business days. Weekends and bank holidays, federal holidays, do not count towards the clearing time. If you deposit a check on a Friday, the clearing process won't truly begin until Monday, the next business day, effectively adding 2 days to the timeline. In summary, while a $30,000 check deposited at PNC Bank could theoretically clear as quickly as the next business day, it's more realistic to expect a clearing time of 2 to 5 business days for a personal check. Factors like the type of check, cashier's versus personal, your account history, and the method of deposit play a significant role. If immediate access is paramount, PNC Express Funds offers a solution, albeit at a cost. The key is to be informed, understand the potential hold times, and communicate with your bank if you have any concerns. Patience, coupled with proactive inquiry, will be your best allies in navigating the world of check clearing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.